Hi guys, I am Talha from Technical Office. In this video I will show you how to get paid by watching ads. So don't skip the video and don't miss any important step. So you have to come on to your Chrome browser and search for AdView. AdView is 100% genuine website for earning real money. So click on sign up and this window will pop up. Type in your first name, email, username, password and re-enter password and select your payment processor and copy your wallet address and paste it here and click on I'm not a robot and check I agree with them terms and conditions. After that this window will pop up and click on login and I have saved my details. I am clicking on I am not a robot and failing reCAPTCHA and click on login. I'm logged in successfully, and that is paid ads and BAP ads. So for earn money, click on paid ads and you will be redirected to this page. Now you have to click on earn $0.005 earn, and after that this timer will show up here and you can see here you earned $0.0048. So come back and go to your dashboard After going to your dashboard, you can see here my balance is added to my account. So you have another one option of BAP ads. You can watch BAP ads. After clicking on BAP ads, earn one BAP and this timer will show again. This timer and you can see here you earned one BAP. So you come back and you have earned one BAP. So you can see here you watch the BAP ads and watch all of the paid ads to earn real money, and for withdraw click on this button and withdraw, and after that this window will pop up and your amount, select your amount here and your main balance will be show here and click on submit and your withdrawal request have been submitted. So the minimum withdrawal amount is 8 USD and the minimum withdrawal amount for Bitcoin is 40 USD. So that's the today method for watching ads. So like the video, share the video with your friends and please subscribe the channel. For supporting me, I will support you as well. So bye.